everyone, this is my name, and it's Liam Cabrera. And there's a baby in it, but it's Rex. But it was a baby of this. Mom, it was the baby.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Triceratops.
Okay, what color is it?
Mom, what are the colors?
What's that?
Light blue. Oh, it's green.
Green. Good job.
What? Oh, it's just like light blue.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the next one. Put it here.
Oh.
What is that now?
Look. Look, from the raptors.
The raptors. What color are they?
Look, the T-Rex is biting the raptors.
Okay. And what's the other one?
Triceratops is again. 2 Triceratops in it.
Okay.
Look, I'm getting the velociraptors. And the biggest T-Rex ever.
Wow, what color is it? That's huge.
Whoa, look at these 5 colors. It's like green, it's light blue, it's blue. And it's, look at the back. Look.
Oh, it's heavy. What's in there?
Cute squeeze.
What's in there?
Oh, Mom, look at this.
What's that?
A Stegosaurus.
What color is it?
Oh, that color is the X.
What color is this?
That's X, I think. Yeah, that's X.
Okay, goes the other one.
And that's the X. Oh, it's Charles. Oh, look at the eye. The eye. Look at his eye. He's looking at me.
He's looking at you. He's not looking at you. He's looking at the camera. Okay, so what's that?
Now, this is the tallest.
What's that?
It's a long neck in the movie. The rat apart, I think. Mom, what is that? These are we need units.
What color is it? It's green, right?
Yeah.
Oh, neck.
Mommy, what is it? It'll be tension.
Okay, we have to get in the book and check it. Okay, what's next?
This one is another baby.
You said a triceratops?
No. It's
We have to check. Where's the book? The dinosaur book that we have.
No, what's downstairs?
Okay, so
Look, this is
that's from the movie, right?
Yes, that was the baby.
Remember the movie?
That's
Land
the
Before
baby.
Time?
Yeah, there were the movies. But I'm scared.
You scared?
Yeah, but I'm scared with this one. It's a long and it's touch. And there's a baby right there. His leg.
That's it? Is that all your dinosaur?
No, it's not this one. Almost, Mom, almost.
Okay.
And this is another baby. It's another baby. Oh, it's another T-Rex. It's another. Oh no.
That's from the movie too, The Good Dinosaur.
Look, it's like it's lost.
Where is he? You broken?
No, but he needs a doctor.
I know. Okay, we have to look for a doctor, okay?
Yeah.
And we need to put his feet like,
But he's better.
Okay, yeah, but we have to put it. Okay?
And he's better.
That's it?
No, almost. This one is a great T-Rex from his head. Red one. He was just funny. Right there. This one's right there. And there's a black Dinosaurus. It's a baby brontosaurus. No, almost.
Okay, so that's it.
No, almost.
Why? That's it. You have one more in the box.
Mom, almost.
Okay, so what are you gonna say?
I say hi. But I say
See you tomorrow. Okay, do it now.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.